कॅश फॉर जॉब स्कॅमात वेगवेगळी प्रकरणां मुखार आयल्यात. आज विरोधक परत मीडिया मुखार.
Advocate Carlos Alvarez Ferreira very nicely put up that it should be by a retired High Court judge under the Commission of Inquiries Act. The government is not making a statement on it.
We have asked for a judicial inquiry by a retired High Court judge under the Commission of Inquiries Act. There is a reason for this. The reason is not simply we want to make some noise or we want to just create some political situation. The reason is simple, that when you file an FIR, the FIR will investigate whether A asked for money and B gave the money. And once that link is established, you will then file your charge sheet and proceed to court. Our case is that the scam is wider than A and B. The scam includes not only ministers, high level people, their staff members, BJP कार्यकर्त्यास and people connected to them.
हे सगळे जाता असताना when we have stated that kindly provide the call detail records and tower locations of Pooja Naik and Shruti Prabhugaonkar, so we know whom they made the calls to. Are Goa Police willing to give that call detail records to at least the leader of opposition and the MLAs? Then they will give out a case of investigation is in progress, but hurriedly the cases are sought to be wound up.
मजगती वेगवेगळ्या प्रकरणांनी मुख्य आरोपी पूजा नायकाक पणजे कोर्टान जामीन दिलो. मडगांवां JMFCन विषया विष्णू गावडे आनी रोहन आचारीचोय जामीन मंजूर केला. सांजे उसरां योगेश शणै कुंकळकाराकूय जामीन मेळ्ळा. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.